Welcome to this video series on geotechnical hazard awareness, which has been designed for both surface and underground mining environments. However, before we dive into the different types of geotechnical hazards, it's important to first build a foundation of understanding. That is why the first few videos in this series will focus on the key factors that influence rock mass stability. At first, some of what we cover might seem simple, even obvious.
But that's by design. We're going to explain these concepts in ways that connect with your everyday experiences. Because once you recognize them, you'll start to see how they apply at a mine site. So whether you're working in a surface mine or deep underground, the ability to identify potential geotechnical hazards starts with recognizing the conditions. By piecing together these fundamental ideas, each step in this series will help you build practical awareness, built from the ground up. So let's begin with shear strength.
In mining, understanding what holds rock together, or causes it to fail, is fundamental to safety and performance. To start with though, let's look at the rocks themselves. Rocks aren't made up of just one continuous block. They're broken up by natural planes of weakness called discontinuities. These could be joints, fractures, bedding planes, or faults. Think of them as the natural cracks in the rock. But these discontinuities aren't all alike.
Each of these breaks in the rock has what we technically call shear strength, which is the material's ability to resist failure when a force is applied that could make it slide or move. In geotechnical engineering, this is a critical concept because it helps us understand how much force the rock can withstand before movement occurs. Whether we're dealing with a joint, a fault, or a fracture, knowing its shear strength tells us how likely it is to stay in place or fail when external forces are applied. It's one of the key factors we consider when assessing ground stability and designing safe excavations. So what we're really talking about is how hard it is for one piece of rock to slide past another. What causes any resistance is a mixture of three basic components. These include cohesion, which is basically the stickiness between surfaces. Friction, this is the grip caused by surface roughness.
And normal stress, which relates to the pressure that holds everything in place.
That's it for today's video, and thank you for watching. In the next video, we'll take a closer look at cohesion, friction, and normal stress, linking these to what you see around you every day. See you there.